Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai guys, newer Hyundai from probably year about 2010 and up, and you want to know where the fuel filter is located on a gasoline engine. Stay with us, we'll explain that, its hidden location, and we'll explain common mistakes people make when replacing it that can actually catch your car on fire, or you may burn the electronics and cost you thousands of dollars. All that will be covered in this video today. If you need to buy a new fuel filter, parts, tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a good price and quick shipping. Let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, what do we have specifically here? This is a Hyundai Sonata 2013 model guys. Now, you most likely have two different locations of the filter. One, you may need to remove the rear seat to access the fuel tank, or on some Hyundais, instead of being under the rear seat, it's behind the rear seat. So if you want to remove the rear seat, we have a video about a Hyundai Elantra fuel filter replacement. Check it out. It will explain that. If you have anything like Sonata or bigger cars, or SUVs, most likely it's behind the seat. So in that case, it's right behind the seat. In the trunk, all you have to do, pull the carpet up. Right here you have that cap guys that will attach with 4 screws, you can see in each corner. And once you pull those screws out, if you come right here, check it out, you have that fuel filter, that's the fuel pump assembly guys. You have the fuel tank pressure sensor, evap line. This is the fuel line that goes to the direct fuel injection, and or the front of the engine to if you have an MPI injection. And right here guys is actually the wires for the fuel pump and the fuel unit that calculates how much fuel you have left in the fuel tank. So with that being said guys, where is that fuel filter? Okay, let's explain that thing now. So it's actually integrated in the fuel pump module. So you have to remove, in most cases, the fuel pump on your Hyundais. And if you remove the fuel pump, it may be a filter that looks like that. Okay, it's round, and it's usually guys around. Let me just zoom in quick. It looks like that one. That's the fuel pump module. That's the fuel pump right here. That's the unit that calculates how much fuel you have, and that round thing right here, that's your fuel filter. On some Hyundais like Elantras, it's actually separate next to it, and it can be replaced as well. But at that point guys, if you ask my opinion, probably just go ahead and replace the fuel pump too, because the difference between the fuel pump, how much it costs, and the filter itself is not so much more guys. So if you want to see where you can get some from, I'll put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out if you need help with that. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Thank you, and if you need to find a filter, hopefully you will be able to. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.